I can understand if maybe the fire alarm goes off once, okay? Third day of moving, the fire alarm, this horrible, horrible sound, oh, a siren mixed with an ear-piercing scream, just goes off randomly. That's fine. I think someone left their candle on or something. And today, 6:35 in the morning, guess what goes off? The fire alarm. I'm sleeping peacefully. I went to bed early last night. I'm deep in sleep. I took a lot of Robitussin and a lot of melanin in my system. So I'm just dreaming, and suddenly this ear screech just penetrates me down to my soul. It rips into my brain. It jolts me awake. A day is ruined from that point onward, okay? Because I have to go outside in my jammies and sit there for 20 minutes on the lawn while the policewoman looks through and lo and behold, there's no fire, no smoke. Guess what? They didn't even bring a fire truck out because magically there was no fire for the fire alarm. Wow. And then, okay, I think that's over. I think that's it. Surely there wouldn't be two in a day. 7:30! 7:30! Tonight! I just got out of the shower. I'm still wet. Right now, I'm still wet. And I'm sitting there, cozy as a bug, naked in my towel on my bed, about to begin my biology assignment. It's going beautifully. I'm comfortable. I'm clean. And suddenly, this ear-piercing scream penetrates into my room. I have to scramble, sopping wet, to get into my jammies. I have to walk down 3 flights of stairs into the lawn for another 20 minutes. And guess what? There's no fire. There's no smoke. There is no good reason the fire alarm should go off. I am in honors. I am in the honors college. How can the smartest people on campus not figure out how to set the fire alarm off twice in one day, 12 hours apart, 2 separate incidences? And somehow, these geniuses among their peers cannot figure out how to not set off the fire alarm. Give me peace! I'm tired. I'm tired of you people. I need ice cream. Damn. You people are idiots! Do not speak to me anymore! I hate you. Do not set off the fire alarm anymore! Minimum 1 month. Minimum. That is asking a lot from you people. Minimum. Stop your candles. Stop your microwave dinners. Stop your stoves. Stop your hot plates. Stop anything that could set off the fire alarm. Now. Now. Do not do it anymore. This is not a request. This is an order. Stop.